Well, good day, and welcome to Steve's Kitchen, because cooking lean is supreme. And I'm your host, Mr. Weight Loss himself, Steve Edwards. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, it's the Mango de Tango, because what we're going to do is we're going to do mango and black bean salsa. And I've already even done us both the favor of prepping the main ingredients ahead of time. Now what I have used here is one mango that I've chopped up. I've got I would say this is about a heaping tablespoon of chopped cilantro. I've got a half of small red onion. And then I've got a small piece about this big of red bell pepper. And then I've got a whole lime. And then I've used a can of black beans that I've rinsed all the liquid out of it. So all I've got is black beans here very thoroughly underneath cold water in the sink. And then all you need then is, as a bonus if you like, a little bit of dried parsley, a little bit of dried basil, and of course a little bit of cracked black pepper. And there you go, it's that simple. So I am so glad because here we are, it's the day after Christmas 2020, and this mango black bean salsa is a wonderful recipe, because if you want to lose weight, manage your weight, increase your energy and vitality, prevent chronic disease, this is a great recipe, and it's just so simple. Now I'm going to grab a tablespoon here, and all we're going to do is put the ingredients together, and it's just that easy. So we're going to empty our black beans into our large bowl, and then we're just going to take all the other ingredients and do the same thing. So we're going to take our onions, our mango here, and our black beans. And unfortunately, Kitty, that sweetheart, the Siamese cat, and she's still got her jingle bell. She hasn't quite worn it off here yet from Christmas being yesterday. Also, it's Sweetheart's birthday. She was a Christmas kitty. She was born 2 years ago, so Sweetheart here is 2 years old. And now what we're going to do is we're going to bring our cutting board back here, and we're going to just slice this the lime in half. And we're just going to squeeze the juice, both sides of the lime, into the bowl as best we can, and that's it. And that lime juice makes for some wonderful flavors. Now, as you notice, my little sweetheart here, she's keeping a distance from me. She knows she doesn't belong up here, but she's awfully curious and nosy. Let me just discard these, get rid of these, rinse the lime off my hands here. I know you can't see the sink off camera here, but you always want to clean up your hands, especially that lime juice. That'll really burn into your fingernails if you don't get off. You know, so you got to get that lime and any other type things off of you. And so all we're going to do then is we're going to just stir this up really thoroughly. And before we're completely done here, I would say we could add just a little bit of dried basil and a little bit of dried parsley and some cracked pepper. Now you could take, if you like, you could use red Fresno peppers in here. for additional flavor. You could blend this with rice. You could blend this with, say, maybe bow tie pasta or some type of, you know, kind of a long, narrow, or kind of a bulky type of a pasta. Maybe, you know, little hat pastas, bow ties. You know, you could take and have this plain and serve it with chicken breast. There's just so many options you could do. I'm going to have later some barbecue pork, and I think the mango is going to be excellent with that. And so there's really an infinite number of things you can do with this, because it works great with anything from pork to chicken to whitefish. You could even do up shrimps, you know, so, and, you know, whether you're using noodles, rice, or you want to serve it up plain like I'm going to, you can even put it onto a sandwich with your favorite protein as well. You know, provided that you use a large, thick bun so that it has some support and integrity, obviously. But you saw how easy this is, and, you know, it doesn't have to be perfect. I mean, this will have a ton of flavor. And the thing is if you leave it sit a couple of hours, it'll even be that much better. And so I'm hoping you love my Mango Black Bean Salsa, because, like I said, it's just so versatile. It's a great dish to make in the wintertime when you don't have fresh produce and berries. And, you know, things like peaches and mangoes, pears, that sort of thing. It's really, really wonderful thing. And, you know, you could sit there and add a small amount of feta cheese, even, you know, just a tiniest little crumble, along with your favorite protein. However you would like to do this, it's great. And so I'm hoping that you'll try this recipe. It's so simple. You saw how minimal the ingredients were that you needed. And so until next time, I hope you'll try this. Give it the thumbs up. And if you want to see other Mr. Weight Loss recipes that are lean and healthy, be sure to check the little bell. And with that, again, this is Sweetheart. Of course, she's not being too sweet. She knows she's not supposed to go up on counters, but she knows that I'm not going to discipline her if I'm on camera. She knows I'm preoccupied, so she's sitting there pestering me. But isn't she darling with her little jingle bells here? Every Christmas I put bells on my cat, and she just, you see, she's not even objected to it. She just, over time, scratched, you know, her neck, and of course the yarn starts to unravel, and probably by tomorrow it will fall off. It usually takes a day or so, but that's not choking her or anything. It's super loose. She could get out of it if she wanted to, but Sweetheart's pretty docile, our little jingling pussycat. But until next time, I hope you'll try my mango salsa recipe here, because if you want to lose weight, feel great, manage your weight, increase your vitality, and reduce chronic disease, I'm the person you want to listen to for lean cooking recipes, because, you know, cooking lean is supreme. And so, until next time, I bid you farewell from Steve's Kitchen, where cooking lean is supreme, and I'm your host, Mr. Weight Loss himself. Have a happy holiday. Until next time, good day.